When the patient comes to the OPD, while going through the general history, the medical history, and what all the patient has undergone till now, we take a call how to plan for the treatment ahead. Now, suppose if the tubes are not good, the tubes are blocked, or if the sperms, they are very low in count, motility is compromised, or the morphology is not good, or if she has already tried many cycles of IUI earlier or previous treatment earlier, still nothing is happening, or if there is an age factor, like beyond 35 years of age, we know that success goes down, then we advise them to go for IVF. So when we advise them to go for IVF, there are many queries from the patient. Ma'am, can we still try naturally? They don't understand that they're losing time. And they have tried so many things, so many cycles of ovulation induction, so many cycles of follicular monitoring, but they believe that it may happen naturally. Why IVF at this point of time? Still, if we can try the same things again. So at one point of time, what I feel is they have to draw a line, considering the age and other factor. This is the time we are going to give for natural trying, this is the time we are going to give for the IUI cycles, and if still nothing happens, then move on for IVF. Because if they don't come to us at the right time for IVF, so chances reduces. Then second thing is the social pressure, the social stigma. If they go for IVF, the family will say, why are you going for IVF? Sometimes if you see the couples, they don't even tell in their family that they are undergoing IVF. Or when they are referring a patient to us, they say, madam, please don't tell this patient that we have undergone IVF. So still that stigma is there, because sometimes the patient feels this is all happening artificially. The eggs are created artificially, they are taken outside the body, they are fertilized outside the body, and then they are transferred inside. But they need to understand, if nothing is happening naturally or by IUI, then if they have to move on for IVF if they want the child. So this is another problem which we face. Then definitely there is a financial problem, because this is a treatment which is different from other kind of the treatment, other medical problems, other surgical problems, where the patient is going to the doctor or to the hospital for the treatment. They're getting treated, they're getting the medicines, the surgery is done, and they get treated and they come back. While for infertility, the stress factor is so much that they think if we spend this much amount on the procedure, we don't know whether we'll achieve anything or not. So that is the big dilemma, and we also too feel this is the main reason, because suppose if we know that if we are going to spend this much money on the treatment and we are going to get the healthy baby, so it's worth spending that much amount. But they need to understand that unless and until they try for IVF, they spend the money for the procedure, how they will achieve the pregnancy also. So that many things which still the people take their own time to go for the IVF treatment.